This is Birdie, the most original air quality monitor in the world.
Now upgraded.
To make the invisible even more visible. Improving your health with more sensors, an intuitive app, and the same iconic analog magic. When Birdie drops dead, air quality is poor and it's time to open a window. To ventilate your home, office, or home office. When air quality is good again, Birdie will automatically come back to life, and voila, your indoor climate and health is now improved. You spend 90% of your life indoors. This is a huge and invisible problem causing headache, fatigue, asthma, allergies, poor sleep, and even cancer. Indoor air pollution is actually one of the biggest threats to human health and longevity. The bright side, there's a fix. Expert advice number 1, open your windows.
Open more windows!
You simply get more energized, think more clearly, and sleep better when breathing fresh air. But honestly, who remembers to open the windows every day? And how do you know if the air quality is bad?
Back in the days, mine workers used a canary to detect toxic air in the coal mines. When the bird fainted, it was time to get out.
Birdie works exactly the same way, but in your home.
Dead bird, poor air quality. Happy bird, good air quality. Maybe you've seen this little bird before.
3 years ago, we launched Birdie on Kickstarter, and now we have more than 50,000 happy bird keepers in 70 countries.
And Birdie is now a patented product that has won many design and innovation awards. A couple of viral moments and got featured in the media.
An air quality monitor in Vogue?
And believe it or not, we're even on the school curriculum in Australia. Cool, mate. So, what's new? We've listened to our community, and now you have the possibility to get deeper insight in what's flowing through your air. Inside hides a CO2 sensor, a temperature sensor, and a humidity sensor, all made by Swiss Sensorion, the Apple of sensor technology. The sensors are wired to a Bluetooth mini computer, connecting with data from Google APIs, allowing you to view the outside air quality and pollen data from wherever you live. Easy to understand for both children and grown-ups. We made it fun and intuitive to monitor your indoor climate. And don't worry, there's also dashboards and graphs with historical data for all you nerds out there. What makes Birdie different from competitors? They look like this. We look like this. Good design isn't just about looking nice. In this case, it's about grabbing your attention. Ugly products get hidden away and are ignored. You would never forget to feed your dog. Now, you will never forget to open your windows. Birdie Pro comes in the iconic canary yellow, the timeless oak, and the new special edition walnut. Our team has been working very hard on this new update.
And we're almost ready to ship out worldwide, of course.
Help us hatch this project and become one of the very first Birdie Pro owners.
As Apple would say, this is the best Birdie we have ever made.